Welcome to the Empire of Knowledge, where curiosity sparks discovery and every question leads to a new adventure. Today, let's dive into the world of a machine that actually creates real-life lightning, the Tesla coil, one of the most fascinating inventions in the history of science. The Tesla coil is a special kind of transformer. It takes ordinary household electricity and transforms it into spectacular high-voltage sparks that can leap through the air, creating a show that looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Imagine a device that magnifies electrical energy so much that it produces bolts of electricity powerful enough to jump across open space, like supercharged static shocks, but on a much grander scale. The secret behind the Tesla coil's magic is resonance. By building up energy and releasing it all at once, it creates dramatic arcs of plasma, those mesmerizing, crackling streams of light that dance and flicker in the air, captivating anyone who sees them. Its design is surprisingly simple but incredibly powerful, a coil of wire paired with a metal sphere, working together to step up voltage to astonishing levels. Even small Tesla coils can generate thousands of volts, while larger ones can produce millions. The Tesla coil is both a scientific marvel and a stunning demonstration of the raw, beautiful power of electricity, an invention that continues to inspire wonder and curiosity in people of all ages. The Tesla coil was invented by Nikola Tesla, one of history's most brilliant and enigmatic inventors. A visionary Serbian-American engineer obsessed with electricity, Tesla was fascinated by the mysteries of energy and the possibilities it held for humanity. In 1891, Tesla created the coil to experiment with high-voltage, high-frequency power, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible at the time. He dreamed of transmitting energy wirelessly across great distances, envisioning a world where power could be shared freely and instantly. To test his ideas, he built massive coils, including a legendary one in Colorado Springs that produced spectacular lightning bolts over 100 feet long, lighting up the night sky. Tesla imagined a future where electricity could be sent through the air to power homes, ships, and even airplanes. No wires needed, making energy accessible to everyone, everywhere. Though his dream of global wireless power wasn't realized in his lifetime, the Tesla coil paved the way for revolutionary technologies like radio, television, and remote control devices, shaping the modern world. Tesla's relentless curiosity, creativity, and willingness to challenge conventional thinking changed the course of science and technology forever. Today, the Tesla coil remains a symbol of his genius, bold vision, and the enduring power of imagination. So, how does a Tesla coil make lightning? It's not just magic, it's a fascinating dance of physics and engineering. The Tesla coil is a device that can generate extremely high voltages, creating those dramatic lightning-like sparks you see. But what's really happening inside? At its core, the Tesla coil has two main parts, a primary coil and a secondary coil, both made from tightly wound copper wire. These coils are carefully designed to work together, each playing a crucial role in the process. First, electricity charges up a capacitor, which acts like a temporary energy storage tank. When the capacitor is full, it suddenly releases a burst of energy into the primary coil. This surge of electricity creates a powerful magnetic field around the coil, setting the stage for the next step. The energy from the magnetic field rapidly transfers to the secondary coil. Because of the way the coils are wound and tuned, this transfer multiplies the voltage to astonishing levels, sometimes reaching hundreds of thousands of volts. At the very top of the coil sits a metal sphere or toroid. This acts as a reservoir, storing the massive electrical charge. When the voltage becomes high enough, it's strong enough to rip electrons from the air itself, turning the air into plasma, a state of matter where electrons are free to move. The result? Brilliant, crackling artificial lightning bolts leap from the coil, lighting up the air with a spectacular display of energy and sound. This entire process happens over and over, incredibly fast. The Tesla coil uses electrical resonance, like pushing a swing at just the right moment, to build up more and more energy with each cycle, making the sparks even bigger and brighter. That's the science behind the Tesla coil's electrifying display, a perfect blend of art, physics, and engineering that continues to amaze audiences around the world. Today, Tesla coils are stars in science museums, classrooms, and even live performances. They make learning about electricity thrilling, turning physics into a visual spectacle. Entertainers use them for dramatic effects and some even dance with lightning in special suits. Musical Tesla coils can play songs by controlling their sparks. Tesla's invention also helped lay the groundwork for radio technology. The Tesla coil stands as a monument to creativity, curiosity, and the excitement of discovery. It invites us all to explore the wonders of science.